Are you looking for the best wrist rest? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best wrist rest on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Keyboard Wrist Rest. The leatherette covering isn't the most breathable, and we noticed our wrists tended to stick to the pad. If you live in a hot climate, you might opt for a more breathable model. We believe incorporating a cooling gel into the fabric could lessen this discomfort. The padding is also not very thick, and we could feel the hard plastic underneath. Even with these minimal flaws, we still like the razor and recommend it. Folks who require something more breathable should take a look at the Gimar's Memory Foam Keyboard and Mouse Wrist Rest Set. A liquor blend on the outside wicks moisture effectively while the foam padding helps provide adequate airflow for those in hotter climates. Padding, memory foam cover, leatherette. Number 2. Best Memory Foam Wrist Rest Set. The outer cover is constructed of a liquor blend fabric that wicks away moisture and dries quickly. More importantly, the soft foam padding provides ample comfort and support. The rubber bottom grips most surfaces but isn't so sticky that you can't easily adjust it. The lack of protection on the seams is the biggest downside of this wrist rest. The covering is only glued down to the foam, which leaves it at high risk of peeling. The fabric also tends to collect dust and debris. Another factor to note is that the keyboard rest isn't completely symmetrical. There is a slight cutout where the logo is printed. This cutout yields uneven comfort and support for your hands. Flaws aside, the Gimar's Memory Foam Set is a comfortable option at a great price. If you don't mind sacrificing memory foam comfort for a more durable constructed leather keyboard rest, the Castle Bailey Leather Keyboard Wrist Rest is made with heavy-duty stitching meant to withstand extended use. Padding, memory foam cover, liquor blend. Number 3. An alternative foam option. The Brylo Mouse and Keyboard Wrist Rest is another excellent option for a foam padded set. It has comfortable memory foam padding with massage holes, though we aren't exactly sure of their purpose. The fabric is relatively breathable and comfortable to rest your hands on. Both pieces have a rubberized bottom to help keep them in place and can easily be cleaned with a little bit of soap and water. Like all the other models, this wrist rest isn't flawless. We felt the build quality was not on the same level as some other contenders. Also, the mouse rest covering didn't meet the rubber bottom, exposing the foam inside, and does not have seam protection. The cover is glued onto the foam and the rubber bottom, leaving the keyboard and mouse rest open to begin peeling or fraying. The Brylo Mouse and Keyboard Rest Set isn't the best of the best. Padding, memory foam cover, liquor blend. Number 4. Far from our favorite. The all-plastic body of the Kensington Duo Gel comes with a significant downside: it gets sweaty, despite the built-in ventilation channel. The vent channel itself causes some issues as well. The big gel pads on the ends are higher up than the center where the vent channel is, which makes typing uncomfortable and a little awkward. The gel pads are also much wider than the vent channel area, making it difficult to find a good position for your wrists while typing. The gel filling of the Kensington Duo Gel is comfortable, but it's hard to look past the unbalanced comfort between wrists. For those who need breathability in warm climates, the HyperX Wrist Rest is an excellent alternative. Padding, gel cover, soft plastic.